everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that Mrs. Lee deposited $3,500. This will be my principal amount and 5.5% interest per annum. That means for 1 year it is 5.5%. This will be my interest rate for 18 months, and they actually give in terms of months. Okay, so this one later on, do take note for these 18 months, we do need to convert to years. So 18 months will be equals to 18 divided by 12, which is equals to 1.5 years, because interest rate is given per annum, meaning in 1 year, in a year. Alright, therefore we need to convert to years, and once we are done with that, we can now find the interest first. That's what they want. So for the interest rate, interest earned will be equals to my principal amount, P, will be equals to PRT over 100, where P is my principal amount, rate is my interest rate, and the T is the period given in years. Okay, so this will be equal to 3,500 multiplied by 5.5 multiplied by 1.5 divided by 100 to give me a value of $288.75. And with that, thereafter, then the total amount later on. At first, she has 3,500. She earned $288.75. So the amount later on will be equals to previously 3,500 with the addition of the interest earned. Her amount will now become $3,788.75. We have come to the end of this question. Let's move on to the next question. Hello everyone, welcome to this problem where we are given that there is a sum of money which we don't know, and it is deposited in a bank that pays simple interest. So I'm going to just let this original sum of money be P, and we have the interest rate. The rate is at 7 per annum, and the time is 3 years, so it's given in years. Very good. And the amount after that is $7,744. So it is important to take note that this includes interest earned, meaning this is actually the P plus the interest. Okay, so now we must first calculate the interest first. Okay, the interest I is equals to P, which we don't know, multiplied by my R, 7, multiplied by my T, 3 years, over 100, and this will actually give me 7 times 3 is 21 divided by 100. This will give me 0.21, not forgetting the P. In terms of P first. Alright. Because after that, right, then I'm going to put this inside because I know that P plus I is equals to 7,744, and I now know what is my I. My I is 0.21 P. I still have my P in front. And therefore, we would then be able to get my answer very fast. 1P plus 0.21P, that will give me 1.21P is equals to 7,744. So I will be able to get my P very fast. Yep, just need to divide by 1.21. That will give me $6,400, which is what they want. With that, we have come to the end of this problem. Let's move on to the next question. Hello everyone, welcome to this problem where we are given that this is still a simple interest question. Simple interest. And we have the P. And he has to repay this after 9 months. Find my interest rate. Okay, so for this question, right, we could actually find out how much interest he earned, or he has to pay, because we have at first 1,800, after that is 1,989. I'm going to minus the original amount, so this will give me 189. And do take note, the time is given in months, but the interest rate is per annum, meaning this one is years. So I need to convert the 9 months to years. This will be equals to 3/4 year. Okay, and then I can tap on what I've learned previously, because I now know that interest is equals to P times R times T over 100. I know my interest, 189. I know my P, 1,800. I'm supposed to find my R. And I know my time, 3/4. And this will be over 100. And therefore, I just need to solve for my R. Okay? So 189 is equals to, I just need to make sure that this times this divided by 100, and that will give me 13.5 R, and therefore I will be able to find my R pretty fast. Okay, 14, and that is what the question requires. Okay, with that we have come to the end of this. Therefore, the interest rate per annum will be 14%. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Hello everyone, welcome to this problem where we are given that Mei Yi deposited 7,200 into her savings account, and the interest rate is also given 5% per annum, 4 years. Now, for A part 1, calculate the interest if it is simple interest. Okay, so for A part 1, we just need to use this formula. Okay, so therefore it will be equals to 7,200 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 over 100 and that will give me a value of $1,440. A part 1 is done. A part 2, compounded annually, means every year. So for A part 2, right, it's also pretty straightforward. We are going to just apply the formula to get the total amount first. Okay, this one will be equals to 7,200 1 plus 5 over 100 compounded 4 times. This will give me a value of $8,751.645, and therefore the interest would then require me to minus off the original 7,200 to give me $1,551.645, and I'm going to leave my answer to the nearest cent. And for part B, we just need to calculate the difference. So the difference will be equals to minus $1,440. I will get 1.645. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.